हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज हमने बनाया वोल्केनो चॉकलेट लावा केक, जिसकी रेसिपी हम आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहे हैं, जो बनाया है मेरी बेटी अलाया ने और
आलिया ने।
यस, आलिया ने ऑफ कोर्स। चलो रेसिपी शेयर करें सबके साथ।
करें।
ओके लाया, यहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले क्या ले रहे हैं?
बटर।
हमने लिया है 50 ग्राम बटर। हमने इसको एक डाला है मग में, क्योंकि आज हम मग केक बना रहे हैं। क्या बना रहे हैं?
मग केक।
और हमने रखा माइक्रोवेव में 30 सेकंड्स के लिए।
30 सेकंड के लिए,
ताकि क्या हो जाए?
ताकि मेल्ट हो जाए अच्छे से।
यस, मेल्ट हो जाए अच्छे से। उसके बाद हम ऐड करेंगे इसमें
शुगर।
यस, 4 टेबलस्पून शुगर ऐड की हमने इसमें। आर यू एंजॉयिंग?
यस।
ओके, नाउ mix well.
Mix well.
How is it taste?
Good.
Okay.
We can taste. It's so yummy for them.
It's so yummy.
I tasted already.
Oh yes, you have tasted it. Okay, now you're putting an egg into it, right?
Yes.
Oh, it seems so yummy.
Yes. It's so tasty.
Yes, and now what are you doing?
Mix.
Yes, you are mixing it.
Mix all day long.
Yes, mix all day long. Okay, Alaya, now what are you doing?
I'm putting some cream.
Yes, you are putting some cream into it. It's so creamy, right?
Yes.
Seems so yummy and creamy.
We can taste. It's so yummy.
Yes, it's so yummy and fluffy also.
We can mix.
Yes, just mix.
Mix.
Oh wow, it's so yummy.
Look, it's like this. It's so yummy.
Yes, it tastes so yummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
Okay. So what is your next step, Alaya?
Next step is mix.
Okay, just mix.
Yes, mix.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Now I'm putting some
Milk into it?
Yes.
Right? Okay, 5. So we are putting 5 tablespoons of milk into it.
and we can mix.
Yes, we are going to mix it again.
Yes.
Sing the mixing song. Mix all day long. Okay, now we are adding some baking powder into it, right?
Yes.
And half teaspoon, right?
And we can mix.
Yes, mix
Mix
all day long. And we are adding 3 tablespoons of white flour. White flour.
We can white flour in the mug.
Yes, we are putting white flour in the mug. 4 tablespoons of white flour.
We can mix.
Yes, mix well.
And we can
Adding some chocolate powder. It's cocoa powder.
Yes.
Yes.
Right?
But it is not sweet.
Yes.
It's like a chocolate, but unsweetened chocolate powder. So we are going to mix it, right? So
it's yummy.
So chocolatey. Wow.
It's chocolate. Wow. We can eat it nicely.
Yes, but you have to put it in the big bowl so that you can mix it well. Okay, so here it is. Your mixture is ready. Now what are you doing? You are oil greasing the macaron bowl, right? And we are dusting some flour into it so that आपका केक उस पे चिपके नहीं, stuck नहीं हो.
We can also
Okay, we are pouring all the mixture into it.
Yes, again.
It's like chocolate lava, right? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm putting this ball into
Microwave.
yes in microwave for 3 minutes.
We can.
और अब मैंने एक स्टिक से इसको छोटे छोटे इसमें पोर्स कर दिए, ताकि चॉकलेट हमारा जो सॉस है इसमें अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए, राइट? ताकि केक क्या हो, बहुत चॉकलेटी.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate everywhere. So it
It's
seems
so
like
funny.
oh wow, it seems like lava. Have you seen a lava mountain?
Mommy,
Hmm?
but it's just lava, but it's chocolate.
Yes, it is. It seems like lava, but it is chocolate lava.
Yes.
Yes, it's
Chocolate.
amazing, right?
It's amazing.
Wow, seems like so amazing. It's like marble kind of structure
Yes.
and
we can
shiny
taste it.
surface
Yes.
like lava. You want to try it?
Yes.
It's hot. It's a little bit hot. अच्छा, आप इसको गर्मा गर्म सर्व करेंगे तो ही ये मज़ेदार लगेगा. जैसे ही निकालेंगे माइक्रो से वैसे ही इस पे सॉस अप्लाई करें. मैं सॉस की रेसिपी जो है वो भी आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी.
But mommy,
Yes.
but it's just chocolate lava.
Yes, it is chocolate lava.
We can taste. We can eat it.
Yes.
But we can.
Wow, it's hot. It's a little bit hot. So be aware, be very careful. So now I'm going to eat it. Yummy in my tummy.
Bye bye. You can subscribe to share.
Yes, please. If you like our recipe, do like, share and subscribe. And must try this recipe. I'm telling you, बहुत yummy बनेगी. आपके बच्चे बहुत शौक से खाएंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज.